Welcome to our U.S. bank account setup guide. In this video, we will take you through the entire process of setting up your bank account online and using the mobile app effectively. Before we start, let's talk about what you'll need to open a U.S. bank account. Make sure you have a valid ID, proof of address, and your social security number ready. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step online account registration process. Visit the U.S. Bank website and click on Open an Account. Once your account is set up, accessing online banking is easy. Just log in using the credentials you created during registration. The U.S. Bank mobile app offers a plethora of features, including balance checking, fund transfers, and bill payments, all at your fingertips. To get started with the mobile app, head to your device's app store, search for U.S. Bank, and hit Install. Once installed, opening the app will reveal a user-friendly interface. Swipe through the features to familiarize yourself. Online banking allows you to manage your account seamlessly. You can check your transactions, set up alerts, and even open new accounts. Remember, security is key. Always use strong passwords and never share your login information with anyone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to U.S. Bank's customer support for assistance.